Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Rhino 3D. Let's get started by creating a box. Next, draw a sphere. After that, use the Move tool. Then, make a copy of your shape. Now perform a Boolean difference operation. Once more, draw a sphere. Boolean difference. Use the Fillet Edges tool to smooth out the corners. Use the Fillet Edges tool to smooth out the corners. Once more, draw a sphere. Utilize the Split command to remove any extra parts. Next, use the Join command to combine all the surfaces. Use the Fillet Edges tool to smooth out the corners. Finally, apply the Quad Remesh feature to unify the shape. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.